What's up guys, Jared here with Staying Tall Auto Reviews, and today I'm taking you guys to Atlanta Motorsports Park with me. We're going to go to the, and you're backing out not paying attention. I can't stand people in these places. Anyways, we are going to Atlanta Motorsports Park to do the Xtreme Xperience event. Today I'm going to drive the Nissan GT-R, the R35. It's my dream car. It's one of the cars I can fit in, so that's great. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Plan to bring you videos of there and hopefully get the footage of me in the car. But without any further waiting, I'm going to finish going through this parking lot and get over there. So let's make it.
Yeah, thanks, man. All right, Jared. All right, we got Jared here in the Porsche 911 GT3RS. Put your foot on that brake pedal for me.
All right.
All right, go ahead and start rolling on down. We will go over those hand signals, Jared, as we go down. Again, I'm Martin. I'll be your instructor today at Atlanta Motorsports Park. All right, what's this hand signal mean?
Brake.
This one?
Let off the gas.
Yep, this one?
Roll in.
Yep, we're gonna go on. Yep, we're gonna go around him.
Okay.
So big roll on that throttle. Did you do any other drives today?
So I did this same car 2 years ago.
Okay.
So it's been a little while.
So was that here or somewhere else?
It was here.
Okay,
Yes,
perfect. So yeah, just keep in mind, you know, a lot of power, rear wheel drive, you know, that rear engine thing. Make sure that we do that nice and smoothly.
All
Don't
right.
want to be looking the wrong direction.
Got it.
Then we'll go as fast as you're comfortable going. And we'll be using your side, my side today.
Okay.
Make sure we stay 3 to 4 feet off all the cones, curbs, and the grass.
Got it.
Don't want to be racking up any of those expensive bills.
Nope, not at all.
Get into a passing situation. I'll set that up. I'll let you know when and how we're going to do that.
All right.
We're going to hang tight here for just a second. Even after they start rolling, we're going to let them get past those yellow cones. That way we can have a lot of fun without having to try to pass them right away.
Sounds good.
Excited?
Yes, sir. I'm excited.
Get this for yourself or as a gift?
So it was a gift given to me as like a Christmas present.
Awesome.
So I actually got kind of lucky. So I did get the GTR, but it glitched out, so I ended up getting this today. So
Gotcha. I think you'll like this better.
hey, look, it's great.
All right, go ahead and start rolling on up for me. First cone will be an orange cone on my side over that hill to a green cone on your side.
All right.
Perfect. Go ahead and lift out of that throttle for me. Perfect. Green cone your side to a green cone my side. Perfect. Just kind of coast for a second. Orange cone my side. That green cone on your side. Perfect. You can real gently just apply a little bit of baby throttle. 2 more green cones on your side as we come around the corner here. 1 more green cone on your side to a green cone on my side. Perfect. You can real gently, nice and gently, you can squeeze a little throttle on if you want. Green cone my side there. Orange cone bottom of the hill your side. Orange cone down there on your side to a green on my side. Go ahead and give me some brakes as we come in here. Perfect. Off those brakes. Green my side. Orange out on your side. Perfect. Start rolling that throttle on. Looking for an orange over the hill on your side. Perfect. Green my side once we get over here. Green my side there. Orange my side, bottom of the hill. Perfect. Give me some brakes. Give me a little bit of brakes as we come in here. Perfect. Green your side now. Orange your side. Orange your side, bottom of the hill.
All right.
What do you think so far?
It's great so far, yeah.
Give me a little bit of brake as we come in here. Off those brakes now. Green my side. Orange your side, top of that hill. Roll on a little throttle if you want. Perfect. Lift out of that throttle. Green my side now. Orange my side as we come over the hill to a green on your side. Green your side there. Going to be looking for another green on your side out to the orange on my side. Orange out there on my side. Then I'm going to want you to drive this middle lane all the way around. This is about the longest corner we've ever been to a track for. It's real long.
Okay.
Liking it?
Yeah, so far it's great. Getting a feel for it.
Perfect. Roll on a little bit of throttle if you want. Green cone your side there. Green cone your side. 1 more green cone your side to that orange up there, orange up there. Good green on my side. Green my side now. You can start squeezing that throttle on nice and gently. Roll on that throttle. Roll on that throttle as much as you want. Orange cone my side. Lift. Brake. Stay on those brakes. Orange cone my side to a green on your side. Perfect. Off those brakes. Green your side. Orange over on my side. Orange top of the hill my side. Roll on that throttle. Doing great. Orange my side there to the green on your side. Lift. Green your side to the green on my side. Perfect. Green your side now. Perfect. 2 more green on your side. 1 more green on your side to a green out on my side. Perfect. Green my side there. Orange bottom of the hill your side. You can roll on a little throttle if you want. Lift. Give me some brakes. Perfect. Green my side now. Orange out there on your side. Roll on that throttle. Roll on that throttle. Orange over the hill your side. Orange your side to the green on my side. Perfect. Green your side there. Give me a little bit of the brakes as we come in. Orange your side now. Orange your side, bottom of the hill. Perfect. Going to be green on my side. Once we get through this corner, I'm going to want you to stay my side. Give me a little bit of brake. We're going to have 1 car come around on your side, so stay my side. Perfect. Gently start rolling that throttle back on now. Orange up there on your side. Perfect. Green my side now. Orange my side. Looking for that green on your side as we come over the hill. Green your side. Green your side. Orange out on my side. Perfect. Orange my side there. You can roll on a little throttle as you're comfortable. Drive this middle lane all the way around for me. Liking it?
It's great so far. Feels good.
Awesome.
Has really good feedback.
It does. You're doing great. You're driving smooth. So
Appreciate it.
You're doing great, man.
That's my goal. It's not to be the fastest, just to get it going.
Yeah, for sure. Green on your side there. Your side. Orange up on your side and that green on my side as we come over the hill. You can real gently start applying that throttle. Roll on that throttle nice and gently. Orange on my side way down there. As much throttle as you want now. Lift. Brake. Make sure you stay on those brakes for me. This is that tight corner. Perfect. Lift off those brakes. Green your side now. Orange out on my side. Orange top of the hill my side. You can roll on some throttle. Orange my side. That green on your side. Lift. Green your side. Green my side. Perfect. Orange my side. Green your side there. Perfect. You can real gently start applying just a little bit of throttle. Green your side. You can have 1 more green on your side. Awesome. Green my side there. Orange bottom of the hill your side. You can roll on a little throttle. Lift. Give me some brakes. Down those brakes. Off those brakes. Green my side now. Orange out there on your side. Real gently start rolling on that throttle. Orange over the hill on your side. Perfect. Orange your side there to the green on my side. Lift out of that throttle. Orange at the bottom of the hill on my side. The green on your side. Perfect. Go ahead and give me a little bit of brakes as we come in. Green your side now. That orange on your side. The orange on the bottom of the hill on your side. Perfect. Give me a little bit of brakes. Perfect. Off those brakes. Green my side. Orange top of the hill. Roll that throttle on. Awesome. Lift out of that throttle. Green my side now. Awesome. Orange my side. To the green. To the green. Awesome. Green your side. Out to that orange on my side. Drive this middle lane on around. On around. A little bit of throttle if you'd like. And then we'll be going into the pits once we get around.
Yeah, all right. Awesome.
Great, man.
I appreciate it, man.
What'd you think this time?
It's great. It's great. This time I was a lot more confident than last time, so it felt a lot better.
Yep. Lift out of that throttle between the blue cones.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely, there's not really a street car that compares to this.
No, not at all. Not at all.
It definitely takes some getting used to.
It does, for sure.
Glad you had a good time, though.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you for everything.
Not a problem. That's what we're here for. We're going to go down. He's going to get your picture.
All right.
And then we'll roll on down and park.
Cool. All right, guys. So we went ahead, did it all. It was absolutely great. I'm gonna go and explain what happened. So I was supposed to do the GTR, and I got there, and apparently the GTR was not even there. It was somehow a mistake that I was able to book it. It shouldn't have even let me. So they ended up upgrading me to the GT3RS, which I've already driven, but I had a great time doing it again. It's a great car. I wasn't mad at all. I mean, the GT3, it's more expensive anyways. I wouldn't probably pay full price, so I was cool with it. And we also did the ride along too, which was great in a Hellcat. Absolutely fun. Had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I did. I haven't even watched it yet. I just drove and I have the USB, so I'll see it soon, and hopefully it's good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.